Top 5 Best Soldering Magnifying Glass in 2024. Are you searching for best soldering magnifying glass? Today I am going to review Top 5 Best Soldering Magnifying Glass. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback, and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. New Illuminated Magnifier USB 3 Colors LED Magnifying Glass, 72 LED Lights. The magnifier has 72 LED lights that provide bright and clear illumination, making it easy to see small details. 8x/10x magnification. With 8x/10x magnification, this magnifier allows you to zoom in on small objects and details, making it perfect for soldering iron repair, table lamp repair, and skincare beauty. USB powered. The magnifier is powered by USB, making it convenient to use and easy to charge. 3. Colors LED Lights. The magnifier has 3 colors LED lights, allowing you to adjust the lighting to suit your needs and preferences. Magnifying glass with light and stand. 3 color modes: stepless dimming, adjustable swing arm LED magnifier, desk lamp, 5 diopter glass lens, for close work, repair, crafts, reading, sewing. Number 2. 5x Illuminated Magnifier USB 3 Colors 72 LED Magnifying Glass, 5x High Definition Quality. Up to 5x magnification 4.3-inch lens made of aberration-free optical glass provides a clear field of view and brings sharper detail magnification. Unlike cheap lenses made of plastic/acrylic that fog up. No dizziness even when focusing on small projects through the lens for long periods, protecting your eyes and reducing fatigue. Great for reading newspapers and books, sewing, drawing, cross-stitching, crocheting, or other crafts and hobbies. 3 color adjustable lighting. Create unlimited lighting possibilities with the combination of 3 colors modes and an infinitely dimmable design of the magnifying desk lamp. Flexible design. Magnifier with light for a variety of tables. This magnification tool is the best choice for anyone who needs to focus on detailed work. Examples include repairers, estheticians, artists, coin collectors, architects, sculptors, etc. Number 3. 8x Illuminated Magnifier USB 3 Colors 64 LED Magnifying Glass. This 2-in-1 desktop magnifier is especially designed for printing, machinery, carving, gardening, or other repairing work. With high bright LED lights, 8x magnifications lenses for your diverse use, powered by USB port, computer, or laptop, convenient to use. Adjustable LED lighting angle with 64 flicker-free, no radiation LED light source, eye protective. 10 levels adjustable brightness, 3 light colors changeable freely, and 8x magnifications lenses meets your different requirement in various occasions. 2.1 inches clip width makes it can be used efficiently, and stretchable tube enable you to extend the illumination area and adjust the light position as you need. Number 4. NEWACALOX Desk Clip PCB Soldering Holder 3x Magnifier. NEWACALOX Desk Clip PCB Soldering Holder 3x Magnifier with LED light welding helping hand, flexible arm soldering, third hand tool, base clip, save space, easy to carry, free hands, adjustable clip, 360-degree rotation for easy operation and work. Flexible arm, Y-shaped flexible arm, lightweight, pressure resistance, good stability. Magnifying glass with LED light. The color temperature of LED light can be adjusted in 3 steps and the brightness can be adjusted in 11 steps. It can meet various working environments, suitable for reading, working, computer boards, jewelry makers, arts, crafts, hobbyists, welding, rework. It can be used universally. Number 5. 15x White Foldable Magnifying Glass with LED Light. Feature. The durable metal clip can be fixed to any flat surface that is less than 2 ft/5 cm, max, thick. It saves space, conveniently attaches to a desk, workbench. The lamp head can be adjusted up and down, and 360 degrees swivel. 35 cm retractable long arms. 180 degree can be adjusted. Magnifying glass with LED light. The LED light brightness can be adjusted. It can meet various working environments, suitable for reading, working, computer boards, jewelry makers, arts crafts, hobbyists, welding, rework, skincare, beauty. It can be used universally.